So my name is Derek Wolf. I run Over the Fire Cooking on Instagram and my blog, and I have been cooking on the BREEO for almost a year. It's one of the most consistent heat fire pits and grills that I really own. I've cooked on all kinds of fire cooking apparatuses and all kinds of stuff, and I always find myself leaning towards going back to the BREEO. I think the one thing I love about the BREEO though is that it's both a fire pit and a grill. I know a lot of the times a lot of charcoal grills or anything like that are super fun to cook on, but once you're done with it, everybody wants to sit around that fire, and the BREEO allows you to do that. You have to pop the grill grate off once you're done cooking and you're ready to go. Hanging out and having a couple of drinks with your friends, just standing around the BREEO. When you cook over fire, you just always know going in that you're going to deal with smoke, and you just try to minimize it as much as possible. But with the BREEO, you really just don't have to think about it too hard because of y'all's amazing technology that you have developed. The smoke really almost evaporates and you really are left with very minimal amounts of smoke. Even when you're hanging out with friends and you're all sitting around the fire, there's never that one person that happens to be downwind from all the smoke. It's just always consistent. You never have to really move or get out of the way. And another thing that I really love about that is I believe that it gets the fire actually hotter. So you end up having a more even fire without having to worry about smoke. And when I cook, that's a great thing. I love smoking things, but when I want to grill over fire, I'm looking for that heat consistency to get my flavor. Another thing that I love about it is just all the attachments, even the simplicity of just being able to rotate the grill. It makes for a really easy way to cook, and it makes a great centerpiece for bringing fire, food, and people together.